Good afternoon. How are you all doing today? Chris Van Sice, live the dream team, Keller Williams Real Estate. Today, we are footsteps away from the Presa, the San Miguel Dam, where you could actually buy a lot and own a home where, so to speak, off-grid living that already has a well, and we set up the solar panels for energy and have this particular view as your backyard. If you are interested in finding a home here in San Miguel that offers serenity, peacefulness, tranquility, and the sound of nature, this particular option could be for you. If you'd like more information, don't hesitate to reach out to myself, Chris Van Sice. Let's work together to find you that particular property, that investment that's going to fit, suit your needs and desires, and while doing so, making that correct, educated investment.